Stegosaurus rise. They made a zoo out of dinosaurs. They built predators in a paradise. In the lab, they had a laser activation with night vision and perfect echolocation. The Indoraptor shouldn't get the blame. He's only learning where he fits in the food chain. That type of Velociraptor's claw. When you hear the chomp chomp of the Carnotaurus jaw. When you hear the echo echo of the T-Rex, you know life finds a way. They made the Indoraptor to weaponize. Tried to keep Pteranodon from the open skies. They tried to put T-Rex on display, but life finds a way. They can try to stuff chaos inside a cage. Bring back the dinosaurs from an ancient age, but it's always gonna end in a rampage. Cause life finds a way. In Jurassic World, yeah, come on. Life finds a way. Now all that power has been unleashed, and you can't put it back in the box. No. They kidnapped and locked him underneath on a ship to the mainland dock, but not for long. Cause Sticky broke it at the auction, blowing people in chairs in every direction. The Indoraptor spacing over blue, and Clary knowing what to stampede running loose. Tap tap of Velociraptor's claw. When you feel the chomp chomp of the Carnotaurus jaw. When you hear the echo echo of the T-Rex, you know life finds a way. They made the Indoraptor to weaponize. Tried to keep Pteranodon from the open skies. They tried to put T-Rex